How to adjust a table in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Word document. You can use Microsoft Word or Google Docs. The process will be just the same. Now if you want to adjust a table or simply insert a table in this document, what you will have to do is simply go to Insert. You will find an option of Table. Now select the number of rows and column. This is the number of rows and the vertical are number of columns. So simply select the number of rows and column and hit enter. Now here you will be able to add text in every cell of this column and also adjust the cell as well, like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.